How to get Facebook password from Google account. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google. Click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then you'll find all these options pop up. Click on Settings. In Settings, click on Google Password Manager. Then, in your search for Facebook, scroll down and then click on Facebook. Verify it's you by adding your phone's lock screen password and you'll be able to see your Facebook password. Simply click on I like button and you'll be able to see your Facebook password in Google. This is how to get Facebook password from Google account. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.